Did you know that you can naturally clear brain fog and sharpen your memory, even after 50? I didn't believe it either, but once I tried this method, the change was undeniable. For those who don't know, this is a completely natural way to support brain health and improve mental clarity using powerful nutrients backed by science. The process is simple. Just take a small capsule once a day, and it helps your brain wake up again. You'll start noticing sharper focus, better memory recall, and a huge drop in those frustrating senior moments. It doesn't rely on stimulants or prescriptions. It's designed to nourish your brain at the root, and it's already helping thousands of people feel mentally sharp, confident, and clear again. To explain this method better with all the details, I left the link of an exclusive video in the first pinned comment below. Watch it until the end. It could be the most important thing you do for your brain health this year. But don't wait. The video may only be available for a limited time.